The sum product function returns the sum of the products of corresponding ranges or arrays. The default operation is multiplication, but addition, subtraction, and division are also possible. To use the default operation multiplication, the syntax is the first argument array1, the first array or range that will be multiplied then added. Array2, array3, optional arrays or ranges that will be multiplied then added. Example, we have price in column B and quantity in column C. To calculate total items sold, use the following formula. Sum product C2 colon C10. When you have only one array, the function adds all the items in the array. To calculate the total sales, you would multiply the quantity by price for each item and then add up the subtotals. In Excel, you can get the result with a single sum product formula. Sum product within parentheses B2 colon B10 comma C2 colon C10. The formula multiplies the first number in the first array by the first number in the second array, then multiplies second number in the first array by the second number in the second array, and so on. Finally, the products are added and the sum is returned. To perform other arithmetic operations, use sum product as usual, but replace the commas separating the array arguments with the arithmetic operators you want, like star, divided by symbol, plus, minus. After all the operations are performed, the results are summed as usual. If you use arithmetic operators, consider using parentheses to group the array arguments to control the order of arithmetic operations. For example, we have price, surcharge, and quantity in column B, C, and D. To calculate total sales, we must add price and surcharge and multiply by quantity. Use the formula, use plus sign instead of comma between B2 colon B10 and C2 colon C10. The formula first adds the values in column B and C and then multiplies by column D. You can also use sum product based on a criteria. For example, to find the total profit in the East region, use the following formula. Select the part of the formula where we are checking for region East. We get an array of true and false, where true means condition is met and otherwise false. To convert logical values to numeric values, multiply by 1. We will get an array of ones and zeros. In the first part, we are subtracting expenses from sales and we get an array of profits. The multiplication operation performed by sum product joins them into a single array. And since multiplying by 0 always gives 0, 1 appears only when region is East, so only those rows are added. We can have any number of conditions. For example, to find the profit for agent Tom in the East region, use the following formula. We added one more condition. When sum product performs the multiplication, 1 appears only when both conditions are met and only those rows are added. In this case, only one row matches and we get the profit as 150. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.